Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe Limited Edition SUV. On the exterior, we have heated and power door mirrors, blind spot collision system, and rear backup camera. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated front seats, panoramic sunroof, and adaptive cruise control. The 7-inch LCD display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth, Apple Carplay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe has less than 26,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.